Hello students, welcome back to today's session. So today what we are going to do, constructing a quadrilateral, and when some special cases are given to us, suppose square is given to us, so how we'll construct a square, how we'll construct rectangle, when some special cases are given, sides are given, angles are given, and we know the properties, then we can do it easily. We can construct all this rhombus or parallelogram. So we will construct with the properties of this square, rectangle, rhombus or parallelogram or any other. So we know square, all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. So with the help of this property, we will construct easily. We know that in rectangle, opposite sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. So with the help of this property, we will construct rectangle. In rhombus, all sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonals bisect at 90 degree. So with this property, we can construct. And last, parallelogram also we can construct easily, as we know that opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, opposite sides are parallel, diagonals bisect each other also. So we will use these properties. These are some special cases because we have to use some properties to construct this. So let's start constructing all this. First one, exercise 4.15, question number first. Draw the following. First one is square reed with only one side is given to us, RE 5.1. So children, as you know, only one side is given to us, so we can easily construct because we know that in square all sides are equal. So let's make rough diagram first. A square we need to construct and side is given to us 5.1 centimeter. And children, we know that in square all sides are equal as well as all angles are 90 degree also. All angles are 90 and all sides are equal, 5.1, 5.1, 5.1 and all are 90 degree also. So we can construct easily. We are having so many things now. All sides are given, all angles are given. So we can write, first of all we have to write, since we know that in square all sides are equal, in square all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. Therefore we label this first, read, this is read, READ. This is the, therefore RE equals to EA equals to AD equals to DA equals to 5.1 and angle R equals to angle E equals to angle A equals to angle D, all equals to 90 degree. So we can start. First of all, what will make RE will make, and then we'll make 90 degree and then 5.1 arc, then 5.1 arc, then 5.1 arc. So let's make start. So let's make RE equals to 5.1 centimeter. So take ruler and measure 5.1 first. So this is 5.1. Name it RE. This is 5.1 centimeter. Now we have to make 90 degree. We have to make first of all 90 degree E. So let's make using ruler and compass 90 degree. So take compass, convenient arc radius, draw first of all 60 degree. This is 60, already you have made so many times, 60, then 62 is 120. Now more than half, one arc from here, one arc from its opposite side. So we'll get an angle of 90 degree. Join it. Now we know 5.1. Next is see what we have to make next. EA. E to A is 5.1 arc. So let's make the arc radius 5.1. So, and we can construct by different methods also, children. We can take angles. Now I am taking sides, all sides. After making one angle, I am taking all sides. Now take the arc radius 5.1. This is 5.1 and cut the arc radius 5.1. If it is not coming, then you have to extend it so that it will come. So this is what we'll got. A, R-E-A. This is A. Now again 5.1. This is again 5.1 only. I have not disturbed this arc radius. This 5.1 only. Now from here A. From A again draw an arc radius 5.1. This is 5.1. This is again 5.1. And from R also 5.1, because in square all sides are equal. So this is 5.1, cut the previous arc. So 5.1, first angle is necessary 90 degree, because we don't know now here how we'll make the arc. So this 90 degree is essential. That's why we have made 90 degree here. Now after this we have made the arc. In it cuts intersect 90 degree at this point, A point. From A again we have to take the arc radius 5.1 centimeter, and from here also R we have to take the arc radius 5.1. So we will get the next point as D. This is our next point D. Now we have to only join and our square is completed. So this one, and join AD also. So in this way, see, this square is completed. Label it 5.1. All sides are equal. This is 5.1. This is 5.1. This is 5.1. And all angles are 90 degree. 90. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And this is 90 degree. So thus our square is completed. Right? Thus read is the required square. Clear, children? Understood how we have made? Now we'll do the second part of this. Now second one is a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 and 6.4 centimeter long. So children, we know that in rhombus all sides are equal and diagonal bisect each other. So let's make a rough diagram. This is rhombus. All sides are equal, but sides are not given to us. So we will make use of diagonals only. These diagonals, these two diagonals are given to us. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree, as we know very well. So we will make, let's name this also ABCD by, if name is not given, we can give the name by our side. ABCD. One diagonal is 5.2 and other diagonal is 6.4. So this is 5.2 and this is 6.4. One diagonal is 5.2 and other is 6.4. Let them intersect each other at O. And children, as we know that diagonal bisect each other, so 6.4 half is 3.2 and 3.2. So we'll start by making diagonal AC. So we'll write first, since in rhombus diagonals bisect each other, at 90 degree, therefore what? OA equals to OC equals to 5.2 by 2, 2.6, and OB equals to OD equals to 6.4 by 2, 3.2, and all angles are 90 also. That means AOD equals to COD equals to AOB equals to BOC. This all angles are 90 degree also. So we will make use of this property 90, 90, 90 and this is 90. So let's start by making diagonal. We will make any diagonal. We can start by any diagonal. So let's start by AC only. So AC is given to us 5.2. So let's start with AC 5.2. So see children, we'll make first diagonal AC 5.2. So this is 5.2, name it AC. And we know children that it diagonal bisect 90 degree. That means we have to make the bisector of AC. हमें more than half लेना है. इसका bisector we have to make. So one half from here and one from opposite side. And here also इसका opposite side से भी ले लीजिए A से. और this one ये हमारा हो गया इसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. तो हाउ टू मेक परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर एनी लाइन सेगमेंट. आप किसी भी लाइन का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर इजीली यू कैन मेक. तो एसी का हमने लिया है मोर देन हाफ लेना है हमको. एसी का हमने मोर देन हाफ लिया है वन आर्क फ्रॉम हियर और वन आर्क बिलो. एंड सिमिलरली सेम आर्क रेडियस आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है और सेम आर्क रेडियस यू हैव टू मेक वन आर्क फ्रॉम हियर एंड वन फ्रॉम हियर. सो विल गेट द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. सो दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बन जाएगा एसी का. नाउ जॉइन इट. इसको ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. ज्वाइन करेंगे तो ये हो गया हमारा परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. नाउ दिस पॉइंट इज कम टू बी नोन एज ओ. ये है परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. ये 90 डिग्री का एंगल बन रहा है. यहाँ पे सारे 90 डिग्री है. हमारा एक डायगोनल आ गया. अब दूसरा डायगोनल हमें बनाना है. तो नाउ सी चिल्ड्रन हमने क्या व्हाट वी हैव मेड OA इक्वल्स टू OC. हम व्हाट वी गॉट 2.6. सो दिस इज 2.6. ये 2.6 है. दिस इज आल्सो 2.6 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ वी नीड OB. What we need children? We need OB and OD. OB equals to OD 3.2 centimeter each. So we will measure 3.2 centimeter using ruler. We will measure 3.2 and we will cut the arc radius. So this is 3.2, 3.1, 3.2. So from O, take O center, O as center, and arc radius 3.2. Cut the arc like this. Cut the arc like this. One up and one down. So we got two arc radius. It intersect this line at this point B. Give the name B and give this name D. Now only thing we have to join this. Now we'll join all the points. Let's join AD first, then AB, then BC, and last one is CD. So our rhombus is completed. This is our rhombus ABCD, and this is 3.2 centimeter arc radius. 3.2 centimeter. This is also 3.2 centimeter arc radius, and you can measure this also. OA equals to OC is 5.2. Total sum is 5.2 and individually is 2.6 because it bisect each other at 90 degree. And see, this is 90 degree only, perpendicular only. So we'll write thus ABCD is the required rhombus. So in this way we have completed question number 2. And question number 3 and 4 we will do in our next session, next video. So thank you so much and keep practicing children and keep constructing. You construct by yourself, then you will get your errors, your mistakes will come to know only when you solve, when you construct yourself. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.